Okay, it's IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions and you will have to reply. Be confident, answer every question and make sure you make at least 5 to 6 sentences for each answer. Answers should be direct, to the point, according to the question, in the same tense the question is. So, are you a person who likes to stay at home?
Yes, absolutely. I'm totally a home person and I like to stay at home where I do a lot of activities like sleep because I am also a sleepy person and I do activities which relax me like playing with the children and staying time with my parents.
Alright, so you're more like a house husband person.
Yes.
Okay, I understand that. What do you do when you stay at home?
Well, most of the time I experience my hobbies like singing and writing. But beside that, I do a lot of sports as well, like playing cricket and uh, playing soccer with my cousins. And beside that, I uh, mm, spend time with my parents by sharing some past stories.
Okay, what is your favorite place at home?
Well, my mother room is my favorite place to stay because it is decorated with our family pictures and it feels like are together and we do lunch and dinner there as well. So my mother room is my
Mother's room.
Mother's room is my favorite place.
Okay, alright, let's go on. What did you often do at home as a child?
Well, as a child, I used to do a lot of homework, as every child do that.
As every
it,
child does.
that, and we played a lot of sports as well with my cousins and brothers. Beside that, I did a lot of other activities which are related to
Okay,
sports.
would you like to stay at home a lot in the future?
Well, I am aiming to spend a lot of time in the future.
Spend a lot of time at home in the
At home
future
in the
because I'm
future.
getting married. Then I'll be a
I
house
am-
husband.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay. You want to become a house husband. That's
Yes.
better. Life is so peaceful.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Because you are the only house husband at home and others are housewives. Okay. So please, would you like to stay at home a lot in the future?
Yes, I would like to stay a lot at my home in the future. Nowadays, I'm aiming to go abroad for study, but I would love to come back and spend time with my home.
All right. Overall, good. Keep it up like this. Okay. You understood the questions well. All right. Let's go on. All right. Let's go on. Do you often get up early in the morning?
Yes, I often get up early in the morning because it's help me to start my day in productive manners, and it also help me to organize my day according to my schedule, and I also get up early in the morning to walk and exercise as well.
What do you usually do when you get up early?
When I get up early, I take a glass of water to hydrate.
I drink a glass of
drink
water.
of glass water to hydrate myself, and I may take healthy breakfast to energetic myself.
To energize myself.
Energize myself.
Okay, so this is what I do in the morning. Okay, do you get up early on weekends?
Yes, no. Sometimes I get early morning, but in on weekend I feel relaxed and feel relaxed and question please.
Okay, don't worry, I changed the question. Which morning do you like the most in a week?
I like Sunday because all of my family member at home, and I spend time with them, and I go to a farmhouse to take care of my animal at farm,
Kettle.
kettles, and
Okay, you need to
field.
connect it all with the morning. So that is why I like Sunday morning, because early morning I go to my farmhouse. So if you connect it with morning, then your answer is accurate. Practice all these things. You have fluency issues as well. As you speak, you're doing quite a lot. So try to overcome that. Practice these topics. Okay, you'll be good. Thank you. Thank you so much.